If you are battling type 1 diabetes, Dexcom is the newest tool to manage blood sugars. Dexcom 6 is one of the most technologically advanced continuous glucose monitors on the market. This has given type 1 diabetics a new tool to control and monitor their blood sugar levels in real time. This takes the guesswork out of our daily blood management regimen. The Dexcom G6 is a continuous glucose monitoring (CGM) system that can help people with diabetes manage their blood sugar levels. Here are the steps to use Dexcom G6. Insert the sensor. The first step is to insert the sensor, which is a small device that measures glucose levels under the skin. Attach the transmitter. Once the sensor is inserted, you need to attach the transmitter, which sends the glucose data from the sensor to your receiver or smartphone. The transmitter attaches to the sensor and should snap into place. Once the sensor and transmitter are attached, you need to start the sensor by following the instructions on the receiver or smartphone app. Check your readings. The Dexcom G6 system will provide you with real-time glucose readings every 5 minutes. You can check your glucose levels on your receiver or smartphone app. Set alerts. You can set alerts to notify you when your glucose levels are too high or too low. This can help you take action to manage your blood sugar levels. Replace the sensor. The sensor needs to be replaced every 10 days. Dexcom will send you a reminder when it's time to replace the sensor. It's important to note that the Dexcom G6 is a tool to help you manage your diabetes, but it should not replace regular blood sugar testing or the advice of your healthcare provider. For more information, call Dexcom 6 at #888-738-3646. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and like button for more videos like this.